Ever wondered if your dog could outsmart you? Here are the top 5 smartest dog breeds in the world. The fourth one will make you laugh. At number 5, the fearless, loyal and quick learner Doberman. Number 4, the lovable, friendly and highly reliable Golden Retriever. Number 3, the bold, loyal protector and intelligent worker German Shepherd. If you believe these dogs cannot outsmart you, click like. Number 2, the elegant, brainy and fancy Poodle. And number 1, the genius, lightning-fast learner Border Collie. Hit subscribe for more pet facts. Got a smarter puppy? Drop their breed in the comments.